Hello students, hope you are all fine. I am Samreen, the PhD scholar. Today I start the topic algebraic expressions. It is exercise 9.1. It is for the 8th standard NCERT basis. Here the first question is identify the terms and coefficients. Before starting the first question, I will let you know the few terms here. What are variables and what are coefficients and what are terms? These in this part 5xyz square minus 3zy, there are two terms. 5xyz square, and next term is how could we come to know is there are two terms or one term? If there are positive sign in between or negative sign, then the terms there are two terms. In these two numbers, two parts, here these two are separated by the negative sign, therefore these are two terms, this and this. And these alphabets x, y, z and here z, y are called the variables. And what are these numbers? 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 5 is called the coefficient of x, y, z square and 3 is called the coefficient of z and y. Now here is the first question, which is identify the terms and the coefficients in the following. First part of the question number 1, exercise 9.1 is this. Identify the terms. How many terms are there? I already told this that if there is a negative sign or positive sign in between or division in between, therefore the terms will be divided as such. First, there are two terms. First term is xyz square, then second term is minus 3zy. Now what are the coefficients? What is the coefficient of xyz? It is 5. And what is the coefficient of zy? It is minus 3. Now second part is 1 plus x square. Therefore there are two positive signs in between, therefore there are three terms. I will write separately the three terms. Therefore 1 is first term, x is second term and x square is third term. And what is the coefficient of x? Here coefficient is only 1. When we don't have any coefficient before x, therefore we consider it the coefficient of x is 1. Here also the coefficient of x is 1. Now third part is, it is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. How many terms there are? There are three terms, 1, 2 and 3. In between the first and second term is negative sign, and in between the second and third term is the positive sign. So I write down it separately. It is x square y square first term, second term is minus. Because it is positive, we don't write positive sign. Second term is this and third term is z square. Now what are the coefficients? The coefficient of x square and y square is 4. Coefficient means what is the number before these variables. These are called the variables. Alphabet terms x, y, z and called the variables. And what is the coefficient of x square, y square and z square? It is minus 4. And what is the coefficient of z square? I already told you that when there is no any coefficient, that means we had to write it as 1. Now fourth part is 3 minus pq plus qr minus rp. There are four terms, 3, pq, qr and rp. So I write separately it as 3 pq, but it is minus pq, then qr and it is minus rp. What are the coefficients of 3? The coefficient of 3 is 1. The coefficient of 3 is 3. And the coefficient of pq is minus 1, and the coefficient of qr is 1, and the coefficient of rp is minus 1. Now how many terms are there in this part? There are Again 3 terms, x by 2, y by 2 and minus xy. I write it separately, x by 2, y by 2 and minus xy. Then what is the coefficient of x by 2? It is 1 by 2. Then y by 2, 1 by 2. Then what is the coefficient of x by y? It is minus 1. Now it's the last part of this question, question number first. And how many terms are there? There are 3 terms. 0.3a, next term is minus 0.6ab, and third term is 0.5b. Then what is the coefficient of a? The coefficient of a is 0.3, the coefficient of ab is minus 0.6, and the coefficient of b is 0. If you like this, please share the video with your colleagues, with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.